I have been on this channel since 2018. That's when I started filming. And I am happy with makeup application in general. I have a lot of fun. I enjoy eyeshadow a whole lot. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you would know that. But there is one thing that I don't really talk about a whole lot, and that is my hair. And in editing video after video after video, I just know that my hair is not as nice as I would like it to be, and I am ready to make some changes. I have tried a few products this past year with some success and some failures, and I'm continuing on, and I've been doing that kind of behind the scenes because this is not a hair channel, it's mostly a makeup and nail channel. And so I want to fess up to some products that I've been using and some products that I have waiting in the wings to start in January. So today in my hair, I'm wearing a wave/curl enhancer, and it's from Sephora. It's called the Curl Cream to define curls, and I would say that it's an okay product. I do have some curls in my hair that it has promoted, but I just don't feel like it's necessarily hitting the spot. I do have to take a look a little bit more about how to define and isolate curls and get the most out of this product. But I thought I would let you know that this is one of the products that I am trying out right now. And another product that I've been using is Infusium as a leave-in conditioner to go along with or on top of a conditioner that I leave in the shower, that I put on in the shower. So I rinse that out, put this on, or just this as a leave-in conditioner. I do have this in my hair as well today underneath the curl cream. My hair is not curly. It tends to go wavy unless it's really humid, then it will do corkscrew. So this is a second product. And I have also used this no salt wave spray from Amika. And this, if I use too much, it really dries out my hair. But if I want volume without letting my hair get too crunchy, just a few sprays of this and kind of scrunching up my hair seems to give me volume because I have thinning hair at this point, and so this is another product that I've been using. I have purchased so far 3 bottles of this, and it's probably going to stay as a product that I use, just not as much. I have to learn to not spray too much, otherwise it leads to really crunchy hair. Now this is a product that I really have not used, but I think would be kind to my hair. And it's the Mizani Style Shifter Society. It's called Cocoa Dew, and it is a curl pre-styling spray for curly hair. So for curls that feel moisturized, that's what this product is supposed to do. So this is one that I will be trying in January. And then I have a whole whack of products, some of which have come from my hairdresser's shelf. So this first one actually came from Sephora, and they are 3.3 fluid ounces each. It's all Olaplex. There's the Hair Perfector, the Bond Maintenance Shampoo, and Bond Maintenance Conditioner, as well as a bonding oil. So this one came from Sephora. And I also purchased another kit, another Olaplex kit from my hairdresser, her salon. And it's this one, and it has a little bit of a different lineup, but these are travel size as opposed to these larger 3.3 fluid ounces. These are, there's a 3.3 fluid ounce for the Hair Perfector and 5.2 fluid ounces for the Intensive Bond Building Treatment, but then a mini, so these are the 2 that I mentioned, and then a mini of the shampoo and conditioner. So that is what was in this one that I got from my hairdresser, and it basically complements what it is that I will have in my main shower area. So this is the one I'll have at home, and this is the one that I will have on the go, whether I'm traveling or at my significant other's place. That is pretty much how I'm going to use these. And these I intend to use along with this Cocoa Dew and or the curl cream from Sephora, just to try to get more definition in my curls. Whoops, I forgot one. Okay, so let me just talk about the last one. This is the Amika Power Hour, and it is a curl refreshing spray, which makes me think that I will end up loving this particular product. I think, if I recall right, my hairdresser, Janelle, was really excited that I had this as a purchase as well, to go along with the Olaplex products. So my apologies, I forgot to mention this one. Again, the Amika Curl Refreshing Spray. I am slowly becoming a convert to Amika. It was a brand that I was not super crazy about, but I am apparently turning a corner with them, and we'll see how this goes. So sorry for the omission, and back to the video. So that is a big change for me. I am not someone who spends a lot on hair products, and probably because I frankly just gave up. Put my hair in a ponytail, put it up in a bun, whatever, because I never get my hair to look the way that frankly I remember it looking as a teenager, with no effort. Yeah, I'm a little salty. I used to have pretty nice hair with no effort. At least that's what I remember and I see in pictures. But I'm willing to give these products a shot and see how it's going to go. My hairdresser, Janelle, is, I think, excited for me to see how my hair changes. I just went to see her recently for color and cut refresh, and she put some of these products in, and my hair stayed nice for 4 days after the appointment. Soft, comfortable, pretty. So I have a feeling I'm going to get good results from it. If you have used Olaplex products and you have tips and tricks for me, I am all ears. I really want 2022 to be a year where I figure this out, because it's when you don't feel like you can just let your hair down literally because you don't think it looks good, it kind of sucks. And I would really like to get a feel for my hair now, what it needs now, and just get better results, and just figure out which products it is that are going to help me do that. So if you are curious about this journey, I will definitely update you regularly and keep my hair down so that you can see the differences. What I can tell you though is I will not spend an hour or 2 hours styling my hair to show artificially that something is better. I will style my hair in a quick way because I am not someone who is willing to spend an hour on my hair every couple of days. That is not me. I need to find a solution where my hair looks nice, reasonably nice, in a way that I can maintain and not resent. So if you are in the same boat, or you have already fixed your hair situation and you have some tips and tricks for us all, leave me a comment and or keep watching these hair updates. I suspect I will be head scratching and figuring this out throughout 2022, and that's okay. I've already started now with 6 or 7 products. I'm looking in front of me. And we'll see where all of this takes us, if you are up for the ride as well. Let me know if you have tips and tricks for your hair maintenance and styling. I am all ears. And with that, I will say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it every single time. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.